Most people stay broke because they ignore these truths about money. If you want financial freedom, listen carefully. 1. Your salary alone won't make you rich. If you think working a 9 to 5 and saving your salary will make you rich, you're wrong. The wealthy don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Multiple income streams, investments, businesses, passive income, that's the secret to financial success. 2. Saving money isn't enough. You've been told to save money, right? But here's the truth. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. Inflation eats away at your savings every year. If your money isn't growing, you're actually losing it. The rich don't just save, they invest in assets that multiply their wealth. 3. Rich people think long-term. The poor think about surviving today. The rich think about building for the future. They invest in assets, stocks, businesses, real estate, not liabilities like fancy cars and expensive clothes. If you want wealth, ask yourself, are you buying things that make you money or things that only take money from you? 4. Time is your biggest asset. The earlier you start managing money, the greater your wealth grows over time. Money works like a snowball. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. If you're wasting time now, you're throwing away the most valuable asset you have. 5. Debt can be a tool or a trap. Not all debt is bad. Rich people use debt to build wealth, investing in businesses, property, and income-generating assets. But if you're using debt for luxury and lifestyle, you're digging your own financial grave. The question is, are you using debt to grow or are you using it to stay trapped? Now that you know the truth, what will you do? Keep ignoring it or start applying it to your life. Drop a comment. What's one money mistake you've made that taught you a lesson? Like, subscribe and stay tuned because in our next video, we're revealing even more secrets to financial freedom.